Well, I can't wait to see what updates they put in Brawl Stars, other besides the obvious guys. New kind of good logo. Well, hello guys! This is me, Christian, again. Yeah, here we go. Finally, it's here, guys. Let's go. Well, no returning of anything, but we have the best collaborating moment yet. Welcome to Brawl Stars collaborating with Subway Surfers, guys. Yes, this is finally time. It's here now. Let's collect the small trophy box. Alright. Yeah, I get it. Subway Surfers is here. That's what we're here to talk about today, guys. And also, play the new game mode. And also try the Subway Surfer abilities once we get the chance to unlock one out of the 8. I believe there's 8 different abilities. But I could be wrong. Here we go. Tapping it open now. We got up to 3 gems. Oh, glow. Which means we'll get something cool out of this right now. Oh, skin for Loa. And it's not even the good kind. It's just your classic boring skin. Yeah, we did get a spray out of that. Poco spray. Nice. What do you know? I get to still keep my daily streak after all, guys. Yeah, I had like an acting play I had to do yesterday, so that's why I couldn't... Yeah. So, the screenshot you saw, yeah. I just wanted to see you... I just wanted to show you guys, like, I don't know, the notifications of what I got throughout yesterday. Anyways, up to, day 92 streak. So, yeah. I couldn't really get in the game yesterday. So yeah, as you can tell, it's the 5th today. And we got a brand new season, of course, as usual. This is the Subway Surfers! Subway Surfers! So, for lucky, if I was to get the Brawl Pass, I could get that, what is it? Looking like DJ version of M's. And yes, there's gonna be plenty of cool looking skins related to Subway Surfers, of course. Yes, even this whole Brawl Pass is called Subway Surfers. And I heard, I could be wrong, that this event will be starting now, September 4th, and I believe it ends on October the 5th this year of 2025. Yeah, I think that's what I heard. So we got this. Yep, collecting the first 1,000 coins. Wait, what's this? I just wanted to check something out. We'll do a clear version of... Don't worry, guys. We'll do a clear version of the Brawl Pass video next few days from now, guys. So if we look here, yep. So, I guess this is when we play certain events. I don't know. So I guess if we get 2 of these, we'll end up unlocking our first boombox of the day. So this is our first week called Subway Run. This is the game mode. Second week on the 11th, coming the 11th of September, will be the club event, and then Melina release will be on the 18th. So we'll finally get our new brawler on the 18th of September, and then the 24th of September is the contest. Oh wow, isn't this just interesting or what? Yeah, so New quest every Thursday. Yeah, a lot of things are happening on Thursday, except for like week 4 here. Yeah, not bad. New York. So it's raining coins every weekend. Okay, that's good. I mean, technically we're on a weekend now that it's Friday here. I'm just excited to see how this all goes. And I don't care if this takes an hour for this video to make this work. There's plenty of fantastic new things to show you guys. So of course, collecting 15 coins, I really thought there would have been a free option, you know, of getting... I thought there would have been, I don't know, a free option to like unlock a boombox or something. No, this is just 29 gems, dang. And then we have another chain offer here. So if we get all the way over here, which I don't really have that kind of money of currencies to be able to even unlock this at all, but if that's the case, apparently I could get a hypercharged skin, aka DJ Poco. And I've heard there's up to 3 graffiti skins. Yeah, 3 graffiti skins. One, I think, for Cornelius. Second for... I'm trying to think. Ollie, yeah. Like, yeah. A-L-L-I, yeah. And then, finally one for my best favorite character still in the game, Leon. Man. Oh wow, I have over 70,000 coins. Then, yeah, okay. Ooh, look at this. So you know how I tried to win her in the challenges? Yep. Well, looks like the championship's over and I couldn't win her from there. But, good thing I kind of saved part of my gems. Because I can get her from here now too, and I might as well get her right before it's too late, guys. So here we go, unlocking Night Ember now.
Does anyone have a fire extinguisher?
Fire it up indeed from the Knights event, okay. Might as well equip right now. Got the pin and icon added. Nice. Nah, there's not some other good ones right there, unfortunately. Okay, so apparently I got one for winning 20 games with Poco. Might as well collect that. Ooh, star drop of the day. Let's see what I get out of this right now, guys. Okay, nope. And then there's one saying that I won 50 games of Spike. Challenger Spike and Beginner Poco. That was good. So this for another star drop right now. Yep, I got it, guys. Another legendary star drop in today's video. And all this for Unicorn Knight Barley. Well, that's the second Knight skin, but not from the Knights event. This one has the title saying it's from the event of Once Upon. Oh, yes, I love that pin. Boing, boing, boing. Keep boinging, Barley. Yes, I love seeing his chantful cheering joy. Better than having an angry Barley. You know that... Yeah, anger robot Barley. Like you've seen in the Brawl Stars trailer or video or some sort. Yeah, that was not a great side of him you want to be seeing. So, let's see if I can look at the power-ups. Yeah, see? I was right. There's up to 8 total, yeah. So there's up to 8 total abilities, I was right. And we have 3 different levels, just like last year of the SpongeBob event. So last September of 2024, we had 3 levels, and we have plenty more power-ups with the kind of mutations, basically. This is not much different. Except this time we have a little less. But we can use these abilities during battle. Like we tap the ability and yeah, exactly. So all of them start level 1 of course. But since I have none of them unlocked, technically the level 0, I have nothing for them yet. Anyways, so super sneakers. which is jump over any obstacle. Second one is Brawler Magnet, pull any brawler back to your precision. So, kind of similar to Frank's gadget, Buster's gadget, and Gene's super, right? I think it's more effective to Gene's super, not gonna lie. So then, next one is Hoverboard Charge. Surf through obstacles and damage opponents. Barrier Trap, trap opponents with trained barriers. Next one, of course, we gotta love our sweet jetpacks from Subway Surfers, guys. Yeah, nice. Fly and attack opponents from above. Short duration, yeah. Fly and attack opponents from above from a short duration, yeah. Okay, so fast track. Fire a damaging projectile that leaves train tracks. Ride the tracks to move faster. Oh yeah, like kind of like how him and his buddies. Man, Jake, right? Yeah. I was trying to remember the name for a second for the guy from Subway Surfers. Correct me if I'm wrong. Jake is the name, right? Yeah. So yeah, Jake and his buddies. Yeah. Off the way with the train tracks. Yeah, so when the security guard's trying to chase after them, yeah, I noticed that the tracks are the fast way to go. Okay, moving on. Next one's Stereo Blast. Blast a mystical wave that pushes opponents back. Finally, we got Poco Pole. Poco Pole. Yeah, this one, I thought it'd be one of those ones where you jump. But then I guess that's what the boots are for. So yeah, pull yourself towards an enemy or a wall. Nice. So, yeah, I realized it's got a mixture of Brawl Stars musics, and it's got the collaboration mixture of, it makes sense. Mixture of the Brawl Stars music and a mixture of the Subway Surfers. Yeah, mixture of the Subway Surfers also. So what do we got? New Brawl Pass, probably new season, new power-ups, new events, of course, newest skins, which is all very similar to what we had with the Angels and Demons event. Angels being in July, Demons being in August. Now in September we have Subway Surfers. So we have Jake Ollie. See, I was right. I figured it out eventually. We have Frank Bion, Tricky Janet, Graffiti Leon, please! Give me this good skin. I know I have to, like, eventually do the, yeah. I would have to do club battles, basically, for this. But you know what? Let's actually, play a match with him right now in the test beta, showdown here. Of course, with these bots, right? They're gonna basically play it easy on me, so, yeah. See, I wonder how this will go. If I do that, I wonder if I'll also get some pins as well. Oh, this will be my great moments yet, guys. Look. Okay, I was expecting to get a little bit further with the ball here. Alright. Why do I add a clone version? Yippee! No. Losing already to bot 1? Screws. No, you are so not getting that in. Good thing I can't self-score. Please let me get my super. I want to see what would happen if I get my super. Yeah, nice. Let me just... Didn't get the score. No. Let me spawn.
Time for brawl. Sneaky time.
Surprise!
No!
Alright, they came back. Nice. Let me just pass that over there. Don't you dare screw it up, Melody Bot. AK Bot 4. Yeah, bro, they're all the way over there. Alright, well, there's still a few seconds left. Don't mind if I get this score for... yeah. And now, if you don't mind me, I'm going to go ahead. And score the game. 22 seconds. Nice.
What's this?
So then other ones we also have Jam Master Hank. And this is from exclusively the Brawl Pass here. Streetwear M's. Graffiti. Oh, yep, I said so. And also Graffiti Stew. Not Cornelius, never mind. I thought I'd seen Cornelius in the video, sorry guys. So then we also have the DJ Poco for the crazy hypercharged skin. And what else did I forget to mention? Oh right, guess what guys? We got plenty new ranks guys. And instead of going by rank 1 to rank 50, no, they're doing it by now... basically how the rank system is set up. So yeah, now it's based off of bronze, silver, gold, diamond, mythic or legendary, and further beyond guys. So the maximum rank now goes up to rank 100, I believe they would consider that, for 2,000 trophies. So used to be 1,000, which the closest I have is Leon, and he's not even at 1,000 yet. I've been a little bit slow on the whole grinding thing because I've been mostly just having fun with the game and also enjoying my summer as well. Wait, what the what? That's a weird looking Shelly. Isn't that like the old classic Shelly or something? I don't know anymore. But yeah, if we go to, I don't know if it's rarities. I think it's rarities I go to, yeah. Oh, no, it's not rarities. I don't know where I go then. Not class. Rarity descending? No, I don't know. Okay. Closest to next tier? No. What about power level? No, just leave it at trophies. So yeah, you can already tell that some of them have like the high ranks here. So some have silver, some have gold. I don't know any of them that have bronze yet. Oh yeah, trophies. The more trophy, yeah, it's based off of trophies. What am I just went through all that for nothing. So yeah, going all the way back over here. Yeah, we have bronze here, our first bronze. Yeah, because I got most of them over 200 trophies. And then the highest being Leon for like, purple, what is it, 7? So, today's Raining Coins, event of the day is called Paintball, guys. Which I believe is a new game mode they're also releasing to the game. Also, we got this. Also to checkpoints. First to 10 checkpoints wins the game. And you could also take down any brawlers to gain you a temporary speed boost, which will be perfect, and it will also be more effective towards getting power-ups, basically. Players left behind gain speed boosts when reaching a checkpoint. Yep. So instead of saying new event, they did change it to just new. Alright. Oh, wait, is Token Run back? Yep, I guess so. So many things to try out, guys. So let me go here, collect 1,000 of these. Yep. So, yeah, almost caught up with everything. And did they also manage to add more... I wonder, did they add more things already to... Let me go to 10,000. No, 100,000. Yeah, let me go to 100,000. No, it's still the same. They didn't add any extending ones yet. But now that any brawler, you can grind up to now, instead of 1,000 trophies, 2,000 trophies, guys. By the time the season ends, and if you have over 2,000 trophies, yeah. But, just to clarify, the progression gets extremely harder, guys. And what do I mean by that? Yeah, if you reach to a certain amount of, let me think. If you reach to a certain amount of trophies in Brawl Stars, there'll come a point where you're gonna lose 80 trophies if you lose a single match. No joke. Yeah, don't believe me? Watch some of the other pro YouTubers make a definite example of that, guys. Yeah, exactly. So first of all, the first mode I'm playing for today, guys, will be paintball. So we're going into our actual first online gameplay now and not just versusing bots, guys. And I believe after I win some tracks here... Oh no, we've played paintball before. Right, never mind. Yeah. And because it's the raining coin shower event, yeah, he's gonna get some points near the end. Oh yeah, they got the little track. Coin shower, yep. Coin shower. Nice try. Coin shower. Okay. Yikes. I say this is mostly pretty good. And you're done. You're also done. Don't mind if I do. Changing most of that to a certain color. Nope. Let me just now activate my hypercharge. Bye-bye. And I get to heal also. Nice. Collecting some more coins. We're getting closer to the win. As predicted. We did it. We did it, guys. We actually did it. And got 8 trophies out of that. Nice. So out of this raining coins event, got 11 times that. So with the 11 times 10, I think that's how I get the 110 coins. So yeah. Of course. The more tracks I win, the higher chance I have of potentially getting the first set of power-ups, which will be a spray effect. I'm gonna love that. And maybe I can just show you guys this right now, guys. Claim all. Well, I only just have to collect 1 right now, guys, so let's do this. And it says that you can win 340 to end up winning some other kind of skin or something. Yeah, so to win Graffiti Leon, something to do with being in, join a club or something, being, and like played like, I don't know, like the club leagues or whatever. Anyways, let's open this, shall we? Let's hear what this has to be. And that's our first one. That's our first power-up of the day. Hoverboard charge. So sub through obstacles and damage opponents. Oh wait, is this basically similar to Shade, but now it's dead? Every brawler can do that for the temporary 25 days? Wait, 25 days. Let's... Maybe it's not October 5th, I don't know. Anyways, collecting these stuff now. Got it. Got the first power-up of the day, guys. Be right back. Alright. Who am I gonna choose? You know what? Why not? Even though this will be completely useless, I say he's fast. Especially when you get his hypercharge. He'll be able to knock a lot of players off the leaderboards, basically. But there's one problem with that. Turns out I'm not as much skilled with him, or quite a lot of the brawlers here, but yeah, I say we'll do great. So we all start off first place for now until we make our huge league. Alright, first checkpoint. Bye-bye. Yep, bye-bye. Alright. Still first. Bye-bye. Get out. You're 6th place. Not seeing the... Yeah, I'm not seeing that stupid first place. Okay. Yeah, okay. Oh, next one's right here, I see. Bye. Don't mind if I collect this. Oh yeah, I am kind of slow. Get out. Thank you. Oh yeah, they're busy trying to come after me. Checkpoint. I don't mind dying right here. Also have this ready. I'm not getting hit by that train, supposedly. 3 more left. Alright. Speed. Next checkpoint before I die here. Alright. If I kill opponents, I think I gain some sort of speed boost, right? One more. Yeah. You can't do nothing about it now. And bye-bye, buddy. I guess I win. Because I'm also going to activate my last stand here. To prevent me from dying right before hitting that checkpoint. There we go. Got the win, guys. #1 solid victory with Draco. Am I right, guys? And boom, just like that, I gained plenty more trophies in the game, guys. Alright. What to try now? Oh, wait. Collect 200 coins. I just managed to get more wins out of that. So let's see what goes along with the track here, guys. So yeah, September 4th, which was yesterday. Then we have 11th, then 18th, and 24th. All throughout September. And then I don't know what to expect next. So let's keep going further and further and see what there is. This might be a little bit speedy, I know. But if you want to have the chance to see what all the prizes are basically are, I'm giving a chance to show right now. Wow, this goes a lot more further than I thought. So yeah, you have plenty of chances. The more tracks you win, which I guess apparently it's possible to reach over hundreds of them in this event. And if you can, that'd be very lucky. I guess the rest at this point are just coins, right? I think you can also get them by boom boxes as well. I'm not sure. So the rest at this point is just coins. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything else other besides coins. Wow, what the what? This is endless. Where does this go off? So the rest end up being coins. So they're expecting you, in case you pass like 1,000, right? To end up continuously getting effortlessly more further along, but there's nothing more to show out of besides coins, guys. Seriously. But this is way too many tracks here they have. Oh, I guess because it's like a scoreboard, right? It's basically like a scoreboard. Yeah, because like in the actual Subway Surfers game, there is typically no end with when the security guard has to try to catch you in Subway Surfers. Not even at 20,000. This goes so far beyond, guys. Seriously. Look at that. Okay, I would keep going, but I have to end somewhere. Alright, so another one. If I get another one, it would be worth 2 here. You know what? I'm going to play another Subway Surfers here. Yeah, this would probably not be worth it to do Chuck. Even though Chuck would be super fast to getting across. But let's be honest, guys. The racing checkpoints change every time you cross. And they're very unpredictable to know where they're actually going.
Yeah, I could do this if I wanted to. Boring.
Okay.
Prepare to face divine disinterest.
And why not, better yet, to play our classic Edgar for the next race of the day. Battle against every single brawler in the game. This is basically the Subway Surfers characters, but instead of the characters, it's all the Brawl Stars characters. All over 90 possible characters going against one another. But only, I think, 6? Or actually, yeah. I think it's only 5 or 6 people that are in per match, basically. Bye-bye. And why don't I just yeet? No! Really just not doing good. Oh no, there is 10. There is 10. Yeah, I'm really not doing so good. Yeah, good. The leader's in. Yep. Hypercharge surprise, y'all. Come on, let me just get over. Yep, there we go. Checkpoint captured. Alright, I'll take that here. Hypercharge is ready. Got a lot of speed. Please let me get over. Nope. Nah, we probably lost. That didn't count as a win. Screws. Let's try this again, guys. As I was saying, yeah, I think with Edgar here, he would be that classic Edgar would be much effective. What do I say about that? Why do I say that? Because he can usually travel across, of course. So we all start off at like different precisions, basically. Why am I getting trapped behind? No. Don't mind if I do this. So every time you get a checkpoint, right? Oh, no. Thank you. Let me collect the next checkpoint, and there we go. Super speed as well. No! It left me far behind. Nice, nice. Next one, don't mind if I do. Oh, I'm really losing it here. Checkpoint. I thought I was gonna survive that, honestly. Oh, stupid magnets, yeah. Yeah, I mean, what... One more, yeah, I lost that big time. I mean, all I have is just basically the hoverboard here, guys.
Alright, who needs divine intervention?
All I basically just have is the hoverboard, but of course, others have, like, better power-ups like the magnet, which will travel you far back down, which sucks. I wonder if Max will do great. She's pretty super speedy in these kind of modes too, right, guys? Well, let's try her out right now, guys, shall we? Oh yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the video, by the way, and as I forgot to say at the intro, if any of you guys are mainly new to the channel or have had your accounts spoiled, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you guys want. Yeah, that did not really work out very well. No. Yeah, I'm pretty much dead again. Alright, super speed. First checkpoint of the day. There we go. Let's go. Checkpoint. Now I don't mind dying here. There we go. Super speed. Why am I slowing down? I hit the train. Darn it. There. Killed the opponent. Yeah. This is really not doing me well. Somehow, I was able to win the first game. How am I screwing this up now? Can I get over there? Yep. I don't mind taking 8th place, I guess. Boo.
Go!
Whatever. Gotta admit, I was doing good the first time, surprisingly. Now let's play Token Run.
Get ready.
Oh yeah, I have the Haunted House 8-bit. Like what you see here? He also has a good looking gun as well. Alright, let's try to get some of our winnings back, hopefully. Yeah, so that was plenty of updates. I got you pretty speed up towards. I got you caught up to speed in one video, basically. Despite it taking nearly 40 minutes long. But that was to be expected, of course, guys. So I'm not gonna stop until we get a win with the Token Run here, guys. If I couldn't do well in the Subway Surfer race after a few times, let's see how well I can at least do here. Surprise! And now you can't attack, which means I have an upper advantage. Bye! Nice try, BB. So I'm gonna fly a few of those tokens back up. Hopefully they won't have to use the rebound system thing here. Here we go. Yeah, that did not go very well. If they don't have a reverse button, yeah, like that one, bye-bye. You're not having a chance. Alright, silence. Yikes, no. Alright, we got most of ours over. Bring them over. Alright. Don't mind if I bring this over. Alright, our last one is all the way over. No, we're done. It was close. One to nothing. It was so close. Dang it. Let's try that again, shall we, guys? Please. Can these noobs make it any easier for us? Like, okay then. Hate getting attacked by these players and dealing with randos most times. But to be fair, I don't really have a lot of friends that play Brawl Stars here that I know, online or in person, basically. So yeah, it's whatever. Skip attack. I'll take that anytime. Bye-bye, Frank. Let me collect the 2 power cube, power up. We're gonna get a better chance, hopefully, this time, guys. Bye-bye. Nope. I'm not getting trapped like that. You wanna do that again? Go ahead, I dare ya. Yeah, getting away here. Oh, they're dare not using that on us. 3,000. Might as well bring that over there. I still got stunned out of that. Darn it. Okay, they're starting to catch up a little bit, but not fast enough. And while I'm at it, hypercharge. Really? I brought it back over.
I'll wing it.
Alright, let me just get my super. Since I'm so close here. First one. We got it, guys. That's just one of the many wins we got back. Yes, let our BB player swing into action. Grom, you can go now, you're excused. Stop playing. Seriously, buddy. Alright, whatever. We won the first game. Please don't screw it up by having a lack of throw, man. Okay. Oh, we have metal, we have the robotic Edgar, nice. Okay, I'm carrying a card, so I can't, oh, now I can use my gadget. Nice. Eh, don't mind if I do. First 2. Alright. As soon as I can put that over there. Which I'm so close. They could still attack for the next little while. So one of them is also the power-ups as well. Now it worked. They weren't able to attack for about a few seconds. Yeah, double damage can be effective with Doug, but not nearly enough. Joke's on you guys! The reverse card was so far, yeah, the reverse card you did, our cards weren't even that far up ahead to count. That is something effective. Come on, let me just get away. Still doing great, okay. It's 4-4 right now. No! You sure about that, Edgar? No! I realize they're at the very last one already. No, we lost, I guess. Man, why? Why does screws does this have to happen? Yeah, whatever. Gaining 8 just to lose 6 afterwards. Just why? Yeah, leave both of you now. Let's go into another match. Hopefully, some of my other teammates can do much... Well, some other randoms can do much better. I was mostly just trying to get them over. Bro. And if anybody got in my way, of course I was gonna kill them. Bro. Hurry, we have to have another BB player. Alright. Whatever. I guess BB players are effective for close range. Yep, dang it. Alright. Oh wait, that's not really an effective one, but still. Nuh-uh. Nice try.
I'm too angelic for this.
Darn, they still got it through. Nuh-uh.
So out of this
Not
world.
even? At this rate, they're gonna get all their cards, and I'm gonna get none in.
Yes. Giving angelic thanks.
Nice try, bye-bye. There we go.
I hear angels sing. Alright, divine intervention. So out of this world.
One left.
You've met your divine match.
They only got their last one left.
Giving angelic thanks. Angels need breaks too, you know.
Yeah, there's seriously only 30 seconds left. Alrighty then. Let's do this again. Oh, we have a Frank on our team, and they have a Frank on theirs. Okay. Where are they going to be coming from this time? Okay, they're going this side, so I'm going to open this up and do the other side. Reverse, reverse. If we can actually get the reverse card over. Yeah, there we go. There we go. It's a matter of who gets the reverse... I find it's a matter of who gets the reverse card over first. And if we can get ours over first, we have a higher chance of winning. But if they get theirs over, same thing applies. They have a higher chance of getting the win. Yeah, not happening today, y'all. Oh, silence, yeah. Alright, got it to work. Only like, what, 5 seconds, basically? There's only 2 left for us. Nice try, buddy. Frank is nearly almost dead. There we go. Oh, reverse. Yikes. Just bring them over, of course. We only have the last 2 left. Yeah, everybody's just bringing them over now. Oh, no, 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 no.
One left.
Seriously? Forget it, I'm not gonna...
Prepare to face divine disinterest.
Wait, I didn't check if we had the power-ups in Showdown or not. I guess we'll find out right now, guys.
Here to save you. Again.
Just doing some classic Showdown. At least I gotta be good at that. Here.
Leave me alone.
Oh, he's trying to come all the way over? Don't even think about it, man. Alright. I can get out of there very happily. Yeah, boy. GG. Can this be my Uno reverse moment? Can this please be my Uno reverse moment? Alright. The more weaker she makes, yeah, like that. Now I should be able to take her out easily. Yeah, I'm not gonna go back for the other cube. It's too risky. Well, the fact that I got 4th place, which means I got a kind of win, but not the golden 1st place win, of course. Really? Like I'm supposed to team up with a Shelly that obviously has shotguns and can literally one kill obliterate an Edgar player like me? Yeah, nah. Okay. Where's this Terra at? If we have Shelly left, the other one should be Terra. Yeah, she's right there. Okay, I know where she's at now. Let's keep close. Let's just try not to fire back right now. Shelly's like right there. If she can weaken Shelly, then maybe, just maybe. But the fact that she has her super right now, which, yeah. There we go. Now I can just hypercharge and victory. GG. Actually, wait.
Prepare to face divine disinterest.
Smite mode engaged, I guess.
No, not this. I just want to do Duo Showdown for the very final one, guys. Calling this the best moment for Subway Surfers, guys. I think there'll be plenty other kinds of events that will be going on, say, given after next week, guys, but I'm not sure. Alright, she could go for that power cube, and I will go for the one more closer here. What are you grumbling on about, Edgar? You have no chance, buddy. You have literally no chance. You're being out-surrounded, basically. Give you 5 seconds. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, GG. Nope. I will just take this jump pad here. Hope. Please, I'm hoping for the best to just win this round. One solo round, I want to win a dual round, but all players are still basically in the game, all teammates anyways, which sucks. I'm not gonna risk it. 2 cubes basically, yeesh. Avoiding myself jumping in there with Edgar. I've seen how those plays go, not good. Cubes are getting mighty close. Alright. Yikes. Bad thing about, like, Dynamite's super is once it hits, it can be so effective. Like, yeesh. Nuh-uh. 4 teammates.
Leave me alone. Angel's here. And goodbye.
No, we're probably getting 4th. Unless the one with 13 power cubes can get eliminated sooner. Oh, we got 3rd. Alright. That was basically nothing.
I'll wing it. Literally.
I'll just do one more, then end the video here, because otherwise we're pretty near wrapping around the hour mark. I could consider this like a Brawl Stars live stream if I wanted to, guys, but you know, that's not how I roll. Not yet, at least, anyways. Not until, like, the future. Maybe I can guarantee maybe I could try something like that in 2026, 2027, or 2028, guys, but yeah, I'm not sure. Oh, wait, so the power-ups work in Duo Showdown? Okay, well, in that case, no. Just, no thank you. Let me just get the second cube. Really, buddy? Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye. Oh, wow, jump. Alright, yep, as long as Belle is trapped. Really? You didn't think she can do that? Last second to the fail right there. Don't you dare spawn back, buddy. Really? Only one player? Are you actually gonna do this to me? Alright, I did say one more afterwards, yeah. Maybe some other time I'll do another video like this, since the Subway Surfers won't be going away anytime soon, not for at least a month anyways, so I have plenty of time to keep testing and trying out the skills of the game. Well, keep testing and trying the new events out anyways. And maybe just keep improving my skills in the game, hopefully. I don't know. Collecting 200 of those. Gonna get 1,000 coins here. Random star drop. Of course, no legendaries or anything. How sad. Got another star drop chance, of course, guys. Plus the 10 gems. Plus another star drop here. Sweet. And, of course, I could just get that much sooner, but I'm not going to speed up the progress, only because it will take a lot of gems away. I say this is pretty good enough. Well, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As usual again, well, take care, guys. Have an amazing rest of you guys' this wonderful day or night, whatever you guys are in the world now. And Christian signing off. Going for real. Bye-bye. Yeah. Boy.